Welcome back to another YouTube video, Little Boy's Garage here, and today we forgot to record an intro of what we were doing, but we have some clips of, I think, what was it, just painting the front bumper. And we were gonna do these side skirts, but they're fiberglass, and you know me, I always mess something up. I don't know if you can see, there's a little hole, but so we didn't get to do that. We didn't get to primer these and get these fitted up today, but the bumper is done. And I can show you that in a second here, but we didn't get too many clips, so I'm just gonna add on doing these side skirts when we get some fiberglass and fix them and see how much footage there is there, if it's even worth putting into one video. Otherwise, if it's too short, I'm probably just gonna add doing the roof spoiler on my car and possibly the hella horns. But so yeah. Alrighty, so I'm back. It's another day. We got the Bondo, or not Bondo, the Bondo brand fiberglass repair kit for the hole in the one side skirt. So we will start doing that right now.
A couple droplets in there. That's good. Well, maybe one more drop. Just to be safe, you know. And then you can mix her up. Want me to bring the camera over when you put it on?
Yeah.
That should be good.
Alright. So I need that paint.
Yeah.
Put one piece in and then dab it on.
Or you're gonna want to wet this first around the area and then set the fabric on.
We might need more.
Yeah, we should be good. That's good right there. And then set the fabric on there. And then just take the rest of the resin and go over top of it.
Have a ranch on that one.
Scoop all of it out of this next one, just glop it on there.
It's like moving.
Yeah, it'll do that till it tacks up. Yeah, so you want to try to get those white spots away, yeah, just like that. Good.
Mint. Fill that hole. Probably just leave a little bulge in it.
That's good. We'll sand it smooth. Just like that. Just wipe all the pieces.
Nice and stiff.
Stubby paintbrush. So you probably are gonna want to lay the piece on a mount on first.
You're gonna push it in.
No, I wasn't planning on it.
So just like that. I believe something like that. I think I just go like this.
Yep. Oh, press her on. I got this corner.
This is gonna be tricky.
It's gonna be tricky once we get it on, because how are we gonna just leave it on here without it moving?
Yeah.
Alright, so the back side of the fiberglass dried. So now we're doing the front side of the fiberglass dried. Now we're doing the back layer. Then once this dries, we'll use Bondo glass to fill in the rest of the little cracks and crevices. Yeah, work it in there.
I can tell you right now, don't want to mess with fiberglass again.
Yeah, so it's kind of a pain if you don't know what you're doing.
What do you mean? This look, I know what I'm doing. Look how professional this is.
Can you guys believe this? It was raining 10 minutes ago. And now look at this. It's snowing.
Now it's raining.
Can you guys believe that or what? It's kind of like,
Minnesota.
yeah, that's Minnesota for you. Anyway, back to this.
Oh, I don't know if we have enough.
There's plenty on there.
For the backside? On this bottom?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. We gotta do the bottom yet.
No. I'll make it work.
Should be good. I'll get around here. Doing a little crack on the bottom.
I want to trim this just a little bit more. If I can get a hold of it. There we go.
Our hands are gonna be sticky for the next 3 weeks.
I don't know if this is...
Should we mix them up more quick?
Probably.
Alright guys, we'll come back to you when this is all dry.
This one there's more touching.
The other one like pulls away from some reason. Good. How's she look?
So we have a black, well now it's black, primered STI bumper with the STI fog lights, and then just have a normal, just plain lip. Got this WRX front plate delete, and then I have these fake carbon canards just to give it a little more look. The top one wouldn't stick for now, but I'm gonna screw them in when I actually decide to run the bumper, but just to give it a sort of a look, just decent. But so yeah, I'll add those other clips. Oh, I should probably flip this. So yeah, I'll add those other clips in to make the video longer, because we forgot to even do an intro, like I said earlier. So yeah, alrighty, back again with the end of the video. Got the side skirts done. Sorry for not probably recording, like putting them on. It was just getting dark out and kind of being a pain, so I just decided to not take the camera out just so I could get it done. I was sick of it, I'm over it, but okay, so yeah, they're done and pretty happy with them. They look pretty nice. I'll show them to you here. Already got them dirty, but not bad. I like them. God, these cars keep driving by. But yeah, so they're on. Sorry if the video wasn't as good as I'd probably like it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Stay low, boys.